Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, August 19, 2020 on our channel. Let's go. First news today. E2V-Z valve wins the China Refrigeration 2020 Innovation Award. The E2V-Z valve has won the China Refrigeration Innovation Award as the most innovative product in the refrigeration equipment category. Its high control capacity and the innovative design of the single valve body for all different cartridge sizes were the factors that led experts to choose Carel for this prestigious award. I am extremely pleased with this award, which recognizes the excellence of our valves, commented Eason Cheng, Marketing Manager, Refrigeration, APAC. Carel can in fact supply a vast portfolio of solutions for flow control, from the simplest to the most complete configuration. The pillars that characterize our electronic valves are reliability, high control precision, and hermetic closing of refrigerant flow. Carel will be at China Refrigeration, exhibiting at stand N1F07 and participating in the panel organized by UNDP, UN Environment, FECO and CRA. Carel's presentation, by Eason Cheng, is scheduled for 20th of August at 2:50 p.m., booth N1F09, and is entitled From High Efficiency Controlling to Full Management, CO2 Commercial Refrigeration System Control and Supervisory Management. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Smardt Chiller Group gears up to accelerate global growth. Smardt Chiller Group, pioneer and still no one in the global oil-free centrifugal chiller market segment, today announced a major expansion of its worldwide leadership team. Vince Canino, COO since 2014, becomes President and CEO, effective immediately. Mr. Canino's career in the HVACR and power industries includes senior VP roles with Trane, the chief executive role at the DG Energy Cogeneration Group, and many years with GE Power Systems. Ashraf Abdallah, formerly VP and General Manager, Global HVAC Applied Commercial Business, Johnson Controls, joins as COO, initially focused on North American opportunities. Roger Richmond Smith, Smardt founder and before that, Turboker founder, retires as CEO but remains chairman of the board of directors, with project responsibilities for Europe, new product development and strategic marketing. He said today, "I am delighted to pass the baton today to this new team of global industry veterans. Vince and Ash are both major talents, and together with CFO Lucy Roy, they make a formidable team. This is vital if Smardt is to exploit post-pandemic opportunities for its lifetime oil-free efficiencies and the planet's fight against climate change." And to all the key contributors to this disruptive little global group since its audacious formation in 2005, a very big thank you from me. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.